The Museum of Archaeology and Anthropology is running 2 Meet the Curator events for Open Cambridge.
Thank you. It is a great opportunity for the Cambridge Mosque.
Every year, Cambridge University Library really looks forward to taking part in Open Cambridge.
Mill Road History is running an event for Open Cambridge and we're calling it Picturing Mill Road.
Welcome to Cambridge Fire Station. We are happy to be part of Open Cambridge.
Welcome to the Old Library of Christ College. We're delighted to be participating once again in Open Cambridge.
This is your opportunity to have a special tour of our new exhibition, Carr, a survival story, with our World Archaeology Curator, Dr. Jodie Joy.
We open our doors to all communities here, irrespective of the religion, race and colour. We are very happy to give them a tour of our mosque.
This year we're offering 2 different tours. The first is a tour of our Conservation and Collection Care studio, where members of the public are invited to meet the team that work in that studio and find out a little bit more about some of the techniques that they use to look after our collection here.
It's an opportunity to look at, think about and experience the detail, the lovely detail that there is on Mill Road, which is a lively, lively street.
Our exhibition examines many curious and disruptive and supernatural forces, monsters and their evil unnatural origins, witches who transgress and challenge social conventions, and mythical beasts who defy physical boundaries.
Here at Cambridge Fire Station, you can come in and meet the on-duty firefighters and get a look at the day-to-day running of the fire station and what the firefighters actually do.
Hello, my name's Sue Long and I'm the coordinator of Open Cambridge, which is taking place this year on Friday the 14th and Saturday the 15th of September. We run the Open Cambridge weekend in conjunction with the National Heritage Open Days, and this year we've got over 82 events, including Open Cambridge and the 20 events that we're going to have at Open Eddington. Please come, we've organised these events for you and we want you to join us.